Well, after trying my hand at PDR on this 2015 Mark 7 Golf, realized this is something probably best left for the professionals. Got a new fender and swapped over with my son most of the little plastic clippies and whatnots that go on this thing. But then we got to these two little nut dealios, and we couldn't figure out how to transfer those over. I don't know if those just like pop in or how the heck you're supposed to transfer them. So we figured out what the thread pattern is using this guy, so 6mm by 1, and use it as an excuse to buy a new tool. So Harbor Freight rivnut kit, and it includes stuff for M6, so hopefully there's an M6 by 1 in there. And going to install that and throw it on this guy. So there we go. M6, and looks like we got some refills. Let's go see if it's the right size. Nice. Looks like it is. Now let's see if it'll have enough material to go in place in the in that fender. So the places we need to put it are here and here, and nice. All right, let's get it installed. All right, swapping these tips out was not intuitive at all. So this part kind of is. I mean, you crack this thing loose, unthread that one, and then you've also got to crack this loose, unthread this, and then in order to get this part out, you have to hold this up, pull this collar back. There's a little collar. Pull that back while holding that with your thumb. Then you can thread this guy out. And now we'll put the M6 one in while holding that collar back. All right, now release, and let's see, put this part back on. And now finally can put the M6 tip back on. And then use this, tighten the sucker up, and should be good to go. All right, so got this M6 one threaded on. Insert. See if I need to maybe get a little more on there. All right, and one and done. Get the next one.